Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as we got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can go ahead and delete a Snapchat account rather than a mobile phone. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay we will simply step into our video. So for that matter, what you're gonna do is, first of all, let's go ahead and open our Snapchat app. Once you are in your Snapchat app, once it's open, you're gonna go ahead, tap on your profile icon on top left corner. Now what you will do is you're gonna simply go ahead, tap on the settings icon on top right corner and scroll down till you get this option called I need help in the support section. So for you, there is no direct delete option. For that, you will have to access your I need support. Once you do that, what you're going to do is simply go ahead, go to search bar and type in delete my account. Even the recommendations will pop up. You can tap on this delete my account option, and you can tap on this accounts portal option that will be highlighted in the blue. And once you do that, you're gonna go ahead, tap on your username or your email address that is connected with your account, or you can even use your phone number instead. Tap on this next option and you're gonna enter the password of your account so it can verify. Once done that, you will be able to find the delete account option within the article of yours. You're gonna go ahead, tap on that. You will be able to delete your account rather than Snapchat. So this is basically it, guys. I hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll be seeing you guys in our next video.